This is a completely free React Router SaaS template that contains everything that you need to build your next SaaS idea, like billing with support for multiple plans and free trials, multi-tenant member management with role-based access controls, and full responsiveness and accessibility. I'll show you everything about this later in this video, but first let's address the biggest problem with templates. Usually, the biggest downside of using templates is that there's a lot of code that you didn't write and that you are afraid to break. But this template comes with full test coverage, over 500 unit, integration and functional tests, and over 200 end-to-end tests ensure that you don't break anything. But what else is in this template? The landing page has some of the most common elements that you'll need, like a bento grid, a marquee, and a CTA section. Authentication is handled by Supabase, and you can sign up either with Google or via email. The next step is the onboarding, which contains 2 steps. First, you complete your user profile, and then you create your organization. If you look into the code, you'll see that it's easy to add more steps to your onboarding flow. By the way, all database queries are abstracted away through both Prisma and Facades, which means that if you ever need to switch your database provider or your ORM, you can easily do that. Inside your app, you'll find a sidebar. As you can probably already see, it's fully styled with TailwindCSS and Shadcn. It's also completely responsive and accessible on mobile, tablet, and desktop. There are automatic checks in your end-to-end tests that can catch many accessibility issues for you. Your user nav lets you log out and customize your user profile. File uploads are handled by Supabase storage, and there are S3 compatible helper functions in case you want to use a different provider. You can use the sidebar to create additional organizations and switch between them. And these are the organization settings. In the general section, you can switch your organization's name and logo. In the team members section, you can invite new members to your organization in 2 ways. You can create an invite link and send that to your coworkers, which will automatically join your organization. Or you can send them a personal invite link via email, where you can also assign them a role too. Email sending is handled by Resend. Once they're a member of your organization, you can manage their roles and even deactivate certain members. You have billing managed by Stripe. By default, the app comes with a free trial, and members can easily upgrade, downgrade, or cancel their subscription. Last but not least, the app has a dark mode toggle. You might be asking yourself, how do all of these services work together when you run your tests? The app distinguishes between unit, integration, functional, and end-to-end tests. The app has MSW pre-configured, which can mock all API requests on the client and server side when you run your integration or end-to-end tests. There are actually some more secret bonus features, but for that, you gotta check out the repository. If you want to contribute, check out the issues or open a pull request. And if you have any questions, DM me on X. And also, if you've watched until the end and you're building something with this SaaS template, please also DM me on X. I'm super curious what you're creating. I love you very much. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and watch this video next now. Peace.